Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a moon dreamcatcher that you can use as a decoration, or even if you guys want to get it as a gift, maybe for your daughter, your mother, or anyone else, especially since like Mother's Day is approaching. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open it up and take it out to show you guys what the product looks like. So inside they do provide guys some LED fairy light that you can use to hang on the product if you guys want to. Right here they provide guys a sticker option that you can use to stick it somewhere so that you can mount the product if you guys want to. And last but not least, we do have the actual product. If you see right here, they do have a very nice message, and I feel like this is perfect, especially since Mother's Day is approaching. But I'm actually fully open this to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys fully open it, here is basically what the product looks like. So we do have the option for you guys to hang on top. Right here we do have a very nice kind of moon design with the message on top right here. Bottom part we have this very nice design right here where it actually hangs out. But if you see for the design on the bottom right here, it definitely looks pretty nice. It actually looks very unique as well. And then for this product, they actually have this available in many other designs. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys want to get this as a gift. Maybe for your daughter or even for your mother. Especially like I mentioned, since Mother's Day is approaching. Getting one of these is actually pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.